Okay, here's part 2 of these robots. I'm going to have to look up and try to find out what their names are since I haven't located their boxes. They're out here. Usually when I can't find a box, it's right in front of me and I'm basically tripping over it. But anyway, in the first video, I had Q1 repaired and showed you what they sound like and work like, and tore Q2 apart so you could see what I was dealing with inside. And here are the 3 gears that have been broken inside every single one of these robots. So I just did all 12 gears replacement, and I figured, what the heck, let's move them down on the floor and let them all just make a mess of themselves, because that's what robots do. So let's see if I can get them all down there and just let them run amok for a moment. If nothing else, it'll be fun to hear all the different sounds. Well, it's not different, all the same sounds they make. I'm chasing some with my feet and trying to keep the camera on others. It's an impossible task. Those two are heading away. Red guy had the oldest batteries in them. All right. Okay, now we got 3 all heading off that way. You got yellow, blue. Oh, here comes green. Anyway, I really like these guys. They all look different. They've got the alternate flashing lights in their hands. And they've got the cool sound. It's just a shame that they were designed with so many gears that were going to crack in them. So that's it until I can find their name. If I find their name, it'll be in the title of these videos.